Welcome to a brand new episode 12 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we'll be going through questions that PSLE students might find difficult to solve. In our previous episode, we went through question 1 of worksheet 6. Today, we'll be going through question 3. Just a side note, you will be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. Aaron lives in Punggol, and his girlfriend, Belinda, lives in Pioneer, which is 1,225 kilometers away. Aaron decided to give Belinda a surprise visit. He left his house at 11 p.m. and drove at 75 kilometers per hour. However, he needs to take a 5-minute break for every 25 minutes of traveling, as his car is not at its best condition. 4 hours later, Belinda decided to also go and surprise Aaron. She then drove at 100 kilometers per hour. At what time would the couple pass each other? How far are they from Belinda's house when they pass each other? Okay, similar to the previous question, the first thing we'll do here is to draw the timeline. So Aaron lives in Punggol, Belinda lives in Pioneer. Aaron left at 11 p.m., traveled at 75 kilometers per hour. For every half an hour, 25 minutes will be used for traveling, and there will be a 5 minutes break. For Belinda, she left at 3 a.m. and her speed is 100 kilometers per hour. The distance between Pioneer and Punggol is said to be 1,225. This might not be accurate, but this is just a fact stated in the question. Okay, so bear in mind that for every hour, bear in mind that for Aaron, 25 minutes of travel will come along with a 5 minutes of break. Okay, hence, therefore it means that for every 50 minutes of travel, there will be a 10 minutes break. Okay, so this is what you need to bear in mind. Okay, then at 3 a.m. let's find where is Aaron. Distance A traveled will be equals to 75 km per hour times 4 hours times 5/6. Because within 60 minutes, only 50 minutes is used for traveling. And this will give us 250 kilometers. Okay? Then the distance between A and B, distance between A and B will be equals to total distance 1,225 minus the distance traveled, which will give us 975 kilometers. Okay. Then for every hour, okay, A will move forward by 5/6 of 75 kilometers, which will give us 62.5 kilometers. Whereas B will move towards that direction by 100 kilometers. So the distance closer between these two will be equal to 62.5 plus 100, which gives us 126.5 kilometers. Okay, then the time taken will be equal to the remaining distance, which is 975, divided by the combined speed, which is 126.5 km per hour, On one side is 2.5 kilometer per hour, and this will give us 6 hours. Okay, since this is 3 a.m., 6 hours later will give us 9 a.m., but this is the next day. Next day with reference to the time for Aaron. Okay, then the distance away from Belinda's house will be the distance B traveled, will be equal to 6 hours times 100 kilometer per hour, which gives us 600 kilometer. Therefore, it's 600 kilometer away from B. Ta-da! This will be the answer for question 3. Okay, answer for question 3. There's 2 more questions available in the worksheet, which is question 2 and question 1. The answer for question 1 will be 2:48 p.m. and 240 kilometer. The answer for question 2 will be 10 hours and 120 kilometers. Okay. Feel free to browse our channel for the solution for question 1. It has been uploaded. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you have got any challenging questions. We also welcome feedbacks and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned this concept. And here's Miss J signing off. Bye bye!